You get one opportunity to make a first impression. With job hunting, your resume is your first impression. It's what gets your foot in the door. Here are 5 tips to make sure you grab attention in a good way. First, make sure your resume looks good with formatting, even margins, and consistent font. It adds to the overall aesthetic. And make sure it's free of any spelling and grammatical errors. That's a big flag. You can't claim to be an expert with a certain software if you don't even know how to spell it. Second, toot your own horn. It's okay. Expected, really. Employers want to know your previous achievements and how they've elevated your company. Include the actual metrics of what you've accomplished. Really, show how you've made an impact. Third, make sure your resume is ready for bots. You know how Google has search engines that crawl websites? 93% of hiring managers use similar software to crawl resumes for keywords. So make sure your resume is searchable with specific terms for your experience, software, and skills. 4. Customize your resume for the job you're applying for. You should already have a basic resume with your experience, education, and certifications. From there, build unique options geared towards the skills required for each job you want. And 5, your resume should include a link to your LinkedIn profile. And the experience, company, position, and timing should match. If they're different, you will need to spend time explaining differences instead of selling yourself. Recognize the power of resumes in landing your dream job. At Spot On Talent, people are our purpose.